Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday we learned how to write a paragraph on an object. Today we are going to learn how to write a paragraph on a personality. Dear students, this is how to write a personality on a personality. This is personality description. There are 15 to 80 sentences for you. 2 introductory sentences. You will tell the name of the personality. Who is the personality? Name of the personality. And what is his education? These are 2 sentences. One for the name and one for the education. 2 more simple sentences for his appearance. 3 sentences. 3 sentences for physical description. You will use and 2 times, 2 sentences with and 1 sentence with but. 4 sentences for character description. 2 sentences with and, 1 with but, and 1 for moreover. 2 sentences for simple tenses. You will use the structure of like to, do not like to, or love to. One sentence for model, that you will use modal verb can. 1 closing sentence, you will use because in this sentence, and 1 optative sentence. These are 15 to 18 sentences for personality description. And what is physical description? Physical description means you will write about the body shape, hair, face, eyes, skin or nose of the personality. And character description means you will write about the appearance of the personality, some positive behavioral adjectives or negative behavioral adjectives. So students, these will be 15 to 18 sentences. Now I would like to show you the paragraph that I have written for you. This is the paragraph. My school principal. Sir Salman is my school principal. Name of the personality. He is an MA English education. He is handsome. He is strong. 2 simple sentences about his appearance. His hair are black and silky. His eyes are beady and shiny. 2 sentences with and. First sentence black and silky, and second sentence beady and shiny. These are 2 sentences for his physical description. Next, his skin is fair but rough. This is another physical description sentence that we have used the but. And now, he is kind and social. This is character description using and. He is simple but decent using but. He is cool and calm using and. He is young but sensible using but. This is character description. He is wise and intelligent. Moreover, he is witty too. This is the use of moreover. He likes to teach the students and train the teachers. Use of and with like to. He can prepare books and teaching material. Use of and with the modal verb can. I like him very much because he is loving and caring. This is closing sentence with because. The last sentence, that is optative sentence, using may optative sentence. May Allah bless him with success. Okay students, this was the sample You will write the same paragraph on your notebook with the heading My School Principal, and also write another paragraph on My School Teacher. Okay students, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.